Okay, adding your domain. How does one add their own domain and not just use the example or domain that or URL that the system just automatically gives you that usually says deployed something or other? Let's say you already own a domain. This is how one would do it. So you go to settings of your project. You can also get there through the dashboard and the individual projects and hit settings, but right there we were in the project and I just went to settings rather than confusion. Let me say that one more time. So I'm in the project, whichever project you're in, you can go to settings and then right here under domains, you can see this is the domain it gives you. So if you publish, it can use this domain, but let's add a domain you own. Now you could be on Wix or generate it on Square or wherever it might be, or GoDaddy is another one. Now I'm going to use an old domain that I had, which is, this is on deal.ai, which you can also buy a domain on. I'm not even sure what I was supposed to say there, but thandcraft.com. I'm just going to grab this because this is a domain that I've already purchased. Not all platforms will look like this, but it will be a similar process. So let's go back. I'm going to add the domain that I already have, add domain, and then very simply, you will get the A record, your DNS records, the A record and the value. All I need to do is copy the name, which would be the little @ symbol here, go back to my DNS zone of the platform that I bought the domain from, and we would just go to add and simply under the A record, you can put name, just copy that value, and same, let's go back to here. You can see the value, which will usually be a string of numbers. Go back here, under content, under paste that value, add, and that has now added the new record, so everything should be synced. Now I go back to the DNS instructions under the Famous platform, close, and you should see that, yep, it has been added here. And now if I click that little button, you can see, boom, now my wonderful app here is under the domain thandcraft.com instead of what it once was, that example URL or the URL it gave. So it's that simple, guys. This was the original one it gave, but now it is under thandcraft.com. And anyone that goes to thandcraft.com will land on the app. That's simple. Again, you just need to grab or create the A record with that value and enter it. Bada bing, bada boom.